countdown for 5, 5, 4, 3, 1. Okay.
What are you driving?
The helicopter.
Helicopter. Did you make it?
Yes.
You did good. Show me how your propeller works. Show me how your propeller works. Woo! Very cool. Good job.
Tape it and we launch it on into Wonderland.
What? Where are you going in your helicopter?
To the Bahamas.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
What are you going to do there?
Look at the dolphins and watch the play with the dolphins and look at the shark and fish, go to the aquarium and everything.
Cool. Wow. How fast does your helicopter fly?
1,000,000 hours.
How much?
1,000,000 hours.
1,000,000 hours?
Yeah.
Wow.
And we're almost there. We're at the...
How many gallons of gas does your helicopter hold?
4 inches.
4 inches. Cool. Okay. Have a safe landing.
Okay.
Bye.
Then we're not going to put a roof on it.
How old are you?
3.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to be, when I'm sick, I'm going to drive a real, these.
Propeller.
Propeller. Yeah. It's not propeller. It's an air. It's a helicopter.
Okay.
It's like a propeller. Say peppa. Say peppa. Say
What?
peppa.
Pa-pa-pa?
Helicopter.
Helicopter.
Peppa helicopter.
Pa-pa-pa helicopter.
What?
Whoa, I hope you don't crash.
We won't.
Okay.